from Thailand. It's 9 a.m. already. So yung itinerary namin ngayon, we're going to have a quick breakfast here at Flat White. I don't know the area kasi nga si Thea Marie ang aming tour guide for this trip. And this is the coffee shop. So, tignan natin kung kamusta yung coffee din nila dito. We're done with breakfast. Ang ganda niyang picture spot dito sa Flat White. So, magpipictorial muna kami. Tapos na ang aming pictorial. Ngayon, pupunta naman na kami sa outlet. Thank you, Flat White! Hello! We're already here at Siam Outlet. This is also my first time to go sa outlet dito sa Bangkok. So, we will bring you shopping with us. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mabibili natin dito sa outlet. Hello! So far, success kami dito kay RL, dito sa outlet. Yung promo nila, buy 3, get 10% off. Buy 5, get 15% off. And if you buy 8, get 20% off. Nakaabot kami dun sa 8 items. Pinagsama-sama namin yung items namin na binili. So, naka-avail kami nung 20% off. Plus 5% tax refund pa sa airport. After ng outlet namin, dito naman kami nagpunta and we will have our early dinner here. May reservation kami ng 4 p.m. dito sa Chocolateville. Parang ito yung mini Disneyland nila dito sa Bangkok. There. May entrance fee pala siyang 180 baht per person. So dito yung bayad. May booth. Ito na yung ticket namin. There. 180 baht entrance fee. Sabi ni Ate Thea, this is consumable ang alam niya. So, let's check if it really is consumable. This is how it looks like. Yan. Para tayo nasa Universal Studios. Ayan, this is how it looks like. Maaga pa kami, so wala pang masyadong tao. 4 p.m. yung nakuhang reservation ni Ate Thea. Valentine's Day nga pala today. So, happy Valentine's Day to everybody. It's February 14, 2026 today. We will celebrate it here at Chocolateville. Nandito na kami. Ayan. Ito yung parang restaurant nila. Para tayo nasa Disneyland, no? Yung ano? Yung Beauty and the Beast ba yun? Or yung Cinderella na kainan? Ito yung air condition. Dito kami kakain. Tapos yung menu nila dito is international menu. Here's our food. We got ribs, yung German crispy pata, pasta, truffle cream to, no? And our margarita pizza. Tikman natin si crispy pata.
Hindi naman, ang tanong ko naman, second year ako na eh. Second year high school.
Sarap. Sarap ng balat. Narinig niyo ba yung crunch? Sarap. We're done eating already. Yung bill nga pala namin, bill reveal, magkano? Magkano po? 5,365 baht. Less 900. 100 baht lang pala yung consumable from the 180 baht na entrance fee. So, yung total niya lumabas is 4,465 baht. Tapos may paganyan, may ampaw.
Free ice cream.
May free.
Only one.
Mag-aaway-aaway pa tayo. O, Captain, paraffle mo rin. Kung sino sa atin yung may free ice cream. Ah!
Alam niya yung extra dito na.
Oh, may free ice cream. In fairness, masarap din yung food. Masarap yung ribs at saka yung crispy pata. They're good. So when you go here, you order the ribs and the crispy pata.
Hindi siya crispy pata tawag.
German ham, basta. Ayan, may parade din pala. Hi! Oo nga, kasi nawala na yung araw. So kanina wala siyang laman, ngayon marami ng tao. Hi! We're done na dito sa Chocolateville. Time check, it's 5:45. Tapos ngayon medyo marami ng taong dumadating kasi wala ng araw. So mas masarap na mag-ikot sa kanya, hindi na ganun kainit. Kaya lang inuna namin siya kasi nandito na kami sa area. Okay, pabalik na kami sa city. We will go shopping na. Back to shopping. Hello. Nandito na kami ulit sa The Helix. Nandito na kami for dessert sa Pangcha. We got the giant bingsu. So let's check it out. Let's try. Ayan na yung bingsu. There. Wow. Here it is. Thailand's original Pangcha. Ganyan kami dito, share. Lahat ng kutsara, pasok!
Parang caramel, magro-roti po ako, okay lang po. Makulat ka.
Let's try! Milk tea na bingsu na may boba. It's good naman. Dito nga pala kami nag-dessert. Ayan, sa tapat lang din ni Kubkaw, Kubpla. Okay naman yung bingsu. Di pa nga namin naubos kasi ang dami. So ngayon, pabalik na rin kami ng hotel because it's 9:30 p.m. already. Good morning! Welcome to our day 3 here in Bangkok, Thailand. Time check, it's 8:45 and medyo relax yung itinerary namin today. Wala na kaming van rental. So this is the day that we will commute on our own. So yung balak naming puntahan for today is Platinum for a little Changi shopping and Icon Siam. Kasi meron pa sa amin din sa grupo na hindi pa nakakarating ng Icon Siam and they want to see that mall as well. So, we'll see you! Nandito na kami sa labas ng hotel. Ayan si Mercure. And tumawid lang kami kasi magkakape muna kami sa Starbucks while waiting for the others. So, ito na si Emporium Mall. And they have Starbucks here as well. Nandito na kami sa BTS. Yung station pala nung hotel namin is From Phong. Ito yung station namin. Nagkakagulo na sila sa ticket machine. Bibili na kami ng ticket. Magkano?
64, dalawa.
64 for 2. Anong station yung bababaan natin? Chitlom Station. Papuntang Platinum. Sakay na kami. Nandito na kami sa Chitlom Station. So, connected na pala siya kay Central World. And then, si Central World is connected naman na kay Platinum. Nandito na kami sa walkway. Ayan na si Central World. Tapos, ayun na si Platinum. Pero magbe-Big C muna kami. Hello, nandito na kami ngayon sa Big C. Actually, nagbabayad na si George. Ito yung malaking grocery nila. So, dumaan lang kami dito for some pasalubong shopping. Ayan, yung mga ito. Although sa MBK ko ito nabili dati, but parang ito rin naman yung brand. Yung crispy pork floss, barbecue pork, tapos ito, yung tom yum, at saka si salmon skin ang bili ni ate. Actually, parang hindi ko alam kung mas mura dito. Nakalimutan ko na. Sa MBK kasi kami namili ng pampasalubong before. Pero since hindi kami pupunta doon, dito na kami bumili. So ngayon, lilipat naman na kami sa Platinum. Nandun na yung ibang kasama namin. By the way, may nakita kaming super rich na currency exchange. Mas sulit pa rin siya kasi yung exchange rate na lumalabas kay GCash nung nag-withdraw kami sa ATM, parang 0.47 siya lalabas because of the 250 baht na charge for the withdrawal. Although nakalagay sa receipt, it's also 0.50. Pero dahil may 250 baht na charge, lumalabas siyang 0.47. Kay Super Rich, 0.50. Sakto. So, masulit pa rin magpapalit talaga ng cash dito sa Bangkok. Anyway, walking to Platinum. Eto na. Platinum. O, dito.
127.
Bumili kami dito. Dito, 100. 120 namin nabili dun sa Big C. 100 dito. Ganun talaga. Nagmamadali kami. Pagbabang pagbabae, 100. 120 yung bili namin. Okay, kain muna kami. Nandito na kami sa 6th floor ni Platinum. Ito yung food court niya. Dito ako kumain sa diet kasi nagda-diet ako. Pero ang ibig niyang sabihin, did I eat that? Ang cute. Ito yung kinikrave ko ngayon dito sa Bangkok, si crispy pork. So, tingnan natin kung masarap din siya katulad nung kinain ko sa Bantat Tong last time. We're here, kumakain na kami. Ito yung crispy pork ko. My crispy pork is 80 baht. My oyster omelette is 100 baht. How much is your tom yum? 90 baht. And yung pomegranate juice na naman namin, this is 100 baht again. So, mura lang yung pagkain dito. Captain, magkano yung ribs? Ang tagal na namin gustong itry yung ribs na yun. Meron pala dito sa Platinum. Masarap. Maanghang. Sobrang anghang. Yun nga, hindi ko kaya. Okay, we'll have lunch first. Hello. Change plan pala kami. Hindi na kami natuloy sa Icon Siam kasi napagod na yung mga kasama namin at sa dami ng bit-bit from Platinum. Naisipan namin na bumalik na lang ng hotel. Actually, nandito na kami sa hotel ngayon. So, what we're just gonna do now is cross na lang to Emporium, get some snacks there kasi meron pala siyang parang gourmet market dun sa 5th floor. And then, we have a scheduled massage kasi at 6 p.m. later. So, yun yung gagawin namin today. So, lalabas muna kami ulit. We'll get a snack and see what we can find dun sa food court naman ng Emporium. Nandito na kami, 5th floor, gourmet market sa Emporium. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mabibili natin dito. Try natin yung pancake dito because it's Michelin star. Hindi ko alam kung Michelin din yung nabila namin sa Icon Siam. Alam ko na kung ano siya. Egg yolk pala to. Golden egg yolk with coconut. Masarap. Nagustuhan nilang lahat. Bumili pa sila ulit. This is good. Meron din dito na intestine here. Yan yung itsura niya. Masarap. 170 baht. No? It's good. It's very tender. Malasa. Hello! Magpapamassage kami. Yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na we want to experience the 4 hands massage. Tapos apparently, ayan lang pala yung hotel namin. There. May pader lang. Sana tumawid na lang kami ng pader. There's the massage place. So let's see. First time namin may experience yung 4 hands. Meaning dalawa silang sabay na masseuse na magmamasahe sa'yo. Let's check it out. Awarded top 50 best spa in Asia pala. There, Love Thai Spa. Okay, so meron kami refreshments. Anong drink ito?
Butterfly tea, so it changes color pag nilagay.
Ah, really? It changes color daw.
Oo, naging
Oh, wow. Galing. Tapos ito din, towel. You soak it here in the water. Wow! Naging marshmallow! Cool. Ayan o. Marshmallow. Yeah, it's really a towelette. I forgot to say, yung presyo nga lang niya, it's 4,500 baht. Yung massage namin. So that comes out to mga 9,000 pesos. Pero, mukhang sulit naman. Kasi nagpapalit ng kulay yung drink eh.
you get to choose the essential oil.
Oh, so we
Yes,
get to
we
choose
get-
our oil.
Correct.
What is CBD?
Cannabis, since legal sa Thailand. Since legal here.
It's illegal?
Well, legal
Okay.
here, yes. For
CBD daw is cannabis.
Pero kasi sa amin, ang allowed lang is 0.05. So, hindi siya yung nakaka-high.
Okay.
So, just really, good for deep relaxation, tapos muscle pain. Unlike yung ino-offer sa mga tindahan dito ng cannabis, yung mga medical grade, yun yung nakaka-high.
Doesn't smell
Pero
like
yung
marijuana.
nakaka-high talaga.
Ah, yeah, it smells good
Pero
actually.
distinct yung amoy niya.
So again, ito yung oil options nila.
Sulit yung binabayad nila, wala natututunan.
Actually, it seems yung cannabis pa yung pinakamabango.
Ako din actually. We like the CBD.
Imagine mo, makakapag-cannabis ako.
Yung mata niyo, talaga na niyo.
Mabango.
Kasi, ito,
Kahit paano nakakakin na rin.
May 1,500 charge pala si CBD oil. Kasi nga premium oil siya. Ay, siya yung pinili namin. So, balik kami ulit sa lavender oil. Doon lang kami sa libre. Meron pala siyang additional 1,500 baht on top of the 4,500 baht na massage. Oh, so, back to lavender.
Back to
Lavender. Mabango rin si Mandarin, pero as you said, it's for daytime for energy. Eh, gabi na. So, lavender na lang.
Mandarin hanggang
Yeah.
3 araw nagising.
Nandito
Sayang.
pa rin naman eh.
Kukuha na lang daw siya
Hindi,
para
it
libre.
smells very, parang bamboo.
Parang bamboo yung scent.
May sinyal talaga yan.
We're already here inside our room. So, meron siyang foot bath first. And this is the massage room. They also have a shower area. There. Let's try. Ngayon lang kami magpapamasahe ng 4,500 baht dito sa Thailand. So, let's see. See you later. Hello, we're already done with our
massage, it's 8 p.m. Meron ding refreshments after the massage. There's tea and some desserts. Okay naman siya. Ako happy ako sa kanya. Parang walang nasayang na minutes dun sa massage mo kasi parating may humahawak sa'yo in all areas at any given time. Kasi nga 4 hands siya. So okay naman. Nagustuhan ko talaga yung strokes, yung sequence. Masarap yung massage nila.
It's here again, Loft Thai. Ayan yung hotel namin again. Yung regular price na is 4,600 baht per person. And then dahil madalas na dito sina Captain, yung mga kasama namin, nakakuha kami ng 20% discount. So yung naging total na lang namin is 7,360 baht for both of us. So that comes out to 3,680 baht per person. Yun yung presyo ng massage namin. Pero not bad na rin. Maayos yung facility. Maraming freebies, maayos, tas maganda naman yung service. So ngayon, we're going to dinner and meet with the rest of the group. So anyway, napagkasunduan na naman namin na dito kumain kay Kubkaw Kubpla kasi nagustuhan namin yung food dito. So we're back here. Yan, we're back! Unanimous decision naman na kumain dito. Na bumalik dito? Okay. May pa-free kami ngayon. Nagbigay sila ng freebie. 1 bottle of this and 1 bottle of this. Ito naman yung in-order ko ngayon, Longan Iced Tea. Let's try the iced tea this time. Ito mas lasa yung longan. Para siyang freshly squeezed longan. Ito naman yung fresh longan herbal juice. Ito na yung pad see ew and the papaya salad. Ito, kanin. Ito naman yung aming fried sea bass and the clear tom yum soup. There. Ito rin pala yung crab omelette. Ayan ang aming dinner for tonight. Last dinner here in Bangkok. Yeah. Nag-order kami dapat ng mango sticky rice, but apparently sabi nila, mango
Okay ba
today is
i-share?
very sour.
Okay, share kayo?
So, ang sinuggest nila, durian sticky rice. Ayan. So, first time ni Daddy kakain ng durian. And it's fresh durian.
Yes.
I can smell. Ano? Happy?
Lalo tumamis kasi
Per-
merong coconut milk.
So, masarap? Bagay?
Oo naman.
Sige, you try, Daddy.
Hindi ko kayo kilala.
You get the durian.
Yeah, I got it.
Eh, ang dami nung sticky rice eh. Ano?
Hindi ko malasahan
Yung durian kaya nga. I told you exactly what I said. Get the durian first. Oh, so you like it? Masarap daw si durian sticky rice. Try din natin si durian sticky rice.
Depende, marami. Gano'n, pero bawat room, parang isang...
May aftertaste siyang konti, pero masarap naman. Yeah. In fairness,
220 yung isang
para nga siyang langka na kulang sa tapang ng langka, no? Nagustuhan mo rin, Captain?
Di ba yung kanina sa big...
Dumaan muna kami dito sa may kanto kasi nakakita sila ng durian. And they want to try the fresh durian. Magkano yan, Cap? 240 baht. There. Ganyan siya kinakain?
Yan.
They have to eat it here kasi bawal siyang dalhin sa hotel. Ano?
I don't know if you like it, but ako I like it. Small portion. Baka dumikit kasi sa ano mo eh, braces mo eh. Very fibrous.
Pero yeah, it's not bad. It's his first time to try durian. This is my second time. The first time I also didn't like it. But in fairness, yeah, it's tolerable. I'm not gonna eat it again unless ganito. Pero masarap siya.
Sarap siya.
sila.
Kaya nga, wala
O, success sila sa kanilang durian experience. Bawal kasi siya dalhin sa hotel at saka bawal siyang ipasok.
Kunin mo na, Tony.
Hello! We're already back in the hotel room. It's almost 11 p.m. already. So, I'm going to end our day 3 here kasi kailangan na namin mag-impake. Our flight is tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. So, we will be leaving the hotel by 7 a.m. Good night! Good morning! It's February 16 today. Pabalik na kami ng Manila. So, we are already going to check out. Time check, it's 6:45. Ang meeting time namin sa lobby is at 7 a.m. And we're just going to get Grab going to the airport. So, last look at our room here at Mercure Hotel. Ayan. This is the bathroom. See-through siya from here, pero meron namang blinds. Anyway, we're gonna check out first. See you later at the airport. Andito na kami sa lobby. Ayan na. Waiting for Grab van. Pero 25 minutes pa yung arrival. So, hopefully umabot naman kami. Again, this is the lobby of Mercure Hotel here in Bangkok. Hello, we're already here at the airport. Medyo na-traffic kami this morning going here at the airport. Inabot kami ng 1 hour travel time from the hotel. So, it's already 8 a.m. Our flight naman is at 11:15 pa this morning. But right now, pipila muna kami sa tax refund. Ayan na. Ang haba na ng pila for tax refund. Dito siya sa dulo ng check-in area. Tapos na pala kami sa VAT refund. So, kapag pala 20,000 baht or more, kailangan mong magpa-stamp sa customs dun sa pila and you have to show some of the items. So, make sure that you have your items with you. If it's below 20,000 naman, no need for stamp. Pwede na kayong dumiretso sa tax refund after the immigration. No need to line up dun sa VAT refund dito sa labas. Anyway, ngayon, papunta na kami sa check-in. Hello, we're already inside. We're done with immigration. In fairness, ang balis ng process. Kahit yung Cebu Pacific check-in, actually medyo mahaba yung pila pero mabilis lang din yung proseso. So, nakapag-VAT refund na rin kami. It's near dun, yung letter D na nakikita nyo. Ayan. Diyan yung VAT refund. Tapos, konti lang din naman yung pila. So, ngayon, it's 9:30. We still have almost 2 hours to spare. So, mag-iikot-ikot muna kami dito sa airport before we board the flight. We're already here. We're boarding. Hello! We're already back here in Manila. Time check, it's 4:30 p.m. Nagland kami ng mga 3:30 and inabot kami ng 1 hour with the immigration and the baggage claim. Mabilis naman yung immigration. Actually, yung e-gates natin, they're fast and efficient na. You no need for boarding pass, you just need your passport. Natagalan lang kami dito.
May isa lang
Pasaway, oo. Yung bagahe niya din kasi nagkaroon din ng crack. So, dun lang kami medyo natagalan. Anyway, this ends our pasosyal trip in Bangkok. So, thank you for watching and see you again on our next vlog. Bye! See ya! Goodbye!